Have you ever wondered how much a productivity app like Notion is actually worth? It's a question that's been on my mind for a while, and I'm here to dive deep into it today. Notion's rise. Let's start by understanding Notion's meteoric rise. It's gone from being a relatively unknown tool to a productivity powerhouse used by individuals and businesses alike. Its versatility, customization options, and collaborative features have made it a favorite among many. Valuation versus revenue. When we talk about the value of a company, we often consider its revenue. But is revenue the only factor that determines a company's worth? What about its potential for growth, its brand value, and its unique selling points? Similar companies. To get a better understanding of Notion's value, let's compare it to similar productivity apps. How do they fare in terms of valuation and revenue? Are there any key differences that could impact Notion's worth? Analyzing Notion's value, revenue and growth. Let's take a closer look at Notion's revenue and growth trajectory. How has its revenue changed over the years? Are there any significant trends or patterns to note? User base and engagement. The number of users and their engagement with a product can also be a valuable indicator of its worth. How many users does Notion have? How often do they use the app? Brand value and market share. Notion has built a strong brand reputation. What is the value of this brand? How does Notion's market share compare to its competitors? Potential for future growth. Looking ahead, what are Notion's prospects for future growth? Are there any new features or markets that could significantly boost its value? Considering external factors. Market trends. The broader market can also influence a company's value. Are there any trends or developments in the productivity app market that could impact Notion? Economic conditions. Economic factors like interest rates and overall market sentiment can also play a role. How might these factors affect Notion's valuation? Investor sentiment. The perception of investors can significantly impact a company's worth. What is the general sentiment among investors regarding Notion? Estimating Notion's worth. Valuation methods. There are several methods used to estimate a company's value, including comparable company analysis, discounted cash flow analysis, and market capitalization. Let's explore these methods and apply them to Notion. Range of estimates. Based on these methods, we can estimate a range of potential values for Notion. What is the high end of this range? What is the low end? Factors affecting the range. What factors could cause Notion's value to fall within this range? Are there any scenarios that could significantly increase or decrease its worth? Let's recap the key points we've discussed. What are the main factors that contribute to Notion's value? Based on our analysis, what do you think is a reasonable estimate for Notion's worth? Is it a billion-dollar company? A multi-billion-dollar company? If you have any thoughts or opinions on Notion's value, please share them in the comments below. Let's continue the discussion. With that said, it's difficult to pinpoint an exact value for Notion. It's a rapidly growing company with a lot of potential. Ultimately, its worth will depend on its future performance and the perception of investors. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time.